friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will be doing a sustainable fashion haul. I mentioned in one of my past videos that I went to a town thrift store and got a lot of free stuff because our school had this thing where you could take some of them home because they had extra, I guess, stuff in there. It's not really a thrift store, it's just like an extra store. I don't really remember what it's called. I got a bunch of stuff. I didn't get a lot, but I wanted to show you guys anyway so that you guys could support the movement of sustainable fashion, because I think a lot of people don't know what sustainable fashion is and what the point is. But basically, sustainable fashion helps you somehow lessen the waste of clothing, because I know fast fashion exists and a lot of trends come and go, and usually those things that are pre-loved or were not enjoyed by people are being brought to thrift stores and like other stores that sell secondhand clothing and products. So I think it should be put out there that it exists and that you could find a $200 jacket at a thrift store for like less than that, probably like $15 or $20 or even less than that. So I think people should be more aware of that, and this is how I'm presenting it. I guess I have a lot of coats and stuff that would probably be around like $50 and above, but I copped them for free because of that promo, I guess. I don't really know. Anyway, enough rambling, and let's get down to the video. Start off with some things that I already had, but I just like DIY'd myself that I wanted to show. I was only talking about one thing, and it's these Hollister jeans that I have here, and I distressed basically the ends like this. I've had these jeans for like a year because I got it as a Christmas gift, but I couldn't seem to wear it because the pants were too long and I didn't like the bottoms of it, so I cut it out like this. The jeans frayed like this once I put it in the washer, and I think I really like it. It gives a lot of detail and it's really trendy these days, I believe. So if you have any jeans that you never really use, are too long for you, I think it's a good idea to do this instead of just like completely throwing out the entire piece, or you can turn them into shorts if you want. So yeah, moving on to my next piece, I got this long cardigan. It's really long, but the sleeves are like good enough. Yeah, this is from the brand Loft. In my opinion, it's a little too long for me, but when I first tried it on, it really clicked on me. That's why I took it, since it was free anyway. I really like long cardigans. Once it gets a little warmer, I'm definitely gonna wear this because it's really pretty. Moving on to the next piece, I have this coat, also another black coat, but this time it's like the fluffy material. It's not as fluffy as it looks, in my opinion. It's really rough, and I have like a fluffy jacket from YesStyle as well as from Uniqlo, and this feels really weird. This is from Zara, by the way. I feel like it's thin enough for like 40s and 50s, but not so much for like the 20-degree weather. Kind of similar to the green coat that I have, which I wore in my thrifting video with my sister, and it's really cute. I just chose it because it was black. So yeah, moving on to the next piece, which is this nice leather jacket. It's from Aeropostale. I just put my name on it actually. Yeah, basically it's just a regular leather jacket. It's not super thick, but I can wear it probably during the spring. I'm kind of thinking of like decorating the back and putting like paint on it, or like a film photo, because I saw this one video by Cassie and Richie, also known as To The Nines, and they like basically destroyed their old clothes, and I kind of want to do that. So yeah, this is really nice. I haven't really worn it because it's a little cold these days. Once it's warmer, I'll definitely wear this. One of the last things that I got from the thrift store was this jacket over here. It was previously owned by a girl named Jillian, and her number was 4. Basically, a little background for this is that I was kind of looking for uniforms for my school, but unfortunately they didn't have any, and then I saw this and I asked them if I could have it, and the guy kindly gave it to me, even though they said that they don't really give this away at all. But that made me so happy because it means a lot to him, and he gave it anyway. And yeah, so I can't really show you the back because that's where I study and where I live. So yeah, it has a nice fit and I really like it. It's very comfy. One of the last things that I got are these earrings that I'm wearing right now. Basically, they look like faces. I like them because I've been wanting statement earrings for so long, but I'm just scared that I might be allergic to the ones online. But then I found this, and since it was free anyway, I just took the chance to just hope for the best. Surprisingly, I've been wearing this for like a week or two, and I did not get any allergic reactions from wearing it. It's really cute on me. I think it suits me a lot. It gives you a lot of character, and that's why these days I've been putting my hair up like this so people can see it. And yeah. And the final thing that I got from the thrift store is actually these sunglasses. These are like really cool statement sunglasses, and they just like make it look cool and all that. I love the cat detail of it. I tried cleaning this spot, but it's just not going away. But I'll try again next time on cleaning them. I would wear this because it makes me look cool. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope I somehow influenced you guys to support sustainable fashion and go thrifting and go to your town thrift store and check stuff out. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber, and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So if you like that, go hit subscribe. I have a bunch of other videos that you can check out. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life, fall in love 삶은 사랑